Hey, what's going on? Garrett Berry here. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very easy way you can start making consistent ClickBank commissions on total autopilot. This is completely set and forget, and once you do this simple method, you're going to be able to look forward to commissions coming in for months, even years to come. I'm also going to share with you a case study of how I use this exact process, and I've made sales on ClickBank for about 4 years with just less than 5 minutes of work initially, okay? So I'm gonna share with you an exact example of how I did this so you can just copy and deploy it in a second as you discover it. And I'm also even gonna share with you a way to outsource this so you don't even have to do this method yourself, okay? So very, very powerful, and you wanna pay close attention. But before I dive in, if you are looking for a way to make consistent income online very easily and simply, I'm gonna include a link directly below in the description. And at any time in this video, feel free to go down below and get access to a free overview of my #1 method to actually do just that. But without further ado, let me go ahead and start revealing these steps, okay? So I'm actually on my YouTube channel right here, and what this is gonna involve in is creating very simple videos. Now, before you freak out and you think, oh, am I gonna have to do a lot of work? Am I gonna have to put my face out there? I'm gonna share with you how you can even do this by getting other people to do the videos for you, okay? But if you don't have anything against just putting yourself on a simple smartphone or webcam, then you're gonna be able to spend about 5 minutes per time you create a video and allow yourself to flood in commissions, because once you post a video, it's up there forever. And if you choose the right product to promote on ClickBank, which I'm gonna share with you in a second how to do, you can realistically look forward to, again, relaxing, sleeping, hanging out with your friends and family, and still have people go to the links in your description underneath your videos, click the link, and decide to buy whatever product you're promoting, earning you a sweet commission, okay? So what are the steps? Well, I have the simple steps right here, okay? And I'm gonna go through each step as you watch this video so you can learn how to do each one, okay? So the very first step is we wanna find a high converting product to promote. Now, I say it has 50 plus gravity. Now, if you don't know what a gravity is on ClickBank, I want to share with you exactly how to find a product that has this score. This score is basically a average of how many other affiliates are going out there and making sales that week on ClickBank, okay? So you want to make sure that it has at least a 50 plus gravity, because the reason we're looking for a high converting product to promote is if other people are promoting affiliate products on ClickBank and making sales, at least 50 or more, that's a great chance that that sales page that people are promoting is really doing a good job of selling people. And if you promote the same product, you're gonna also ensure that you'll probably make sales too. So how do we find a high converting product to promote on ClickBank? Well, the very first step is to actually go to clickbank.com. Now, if you don't have an account with ClickBank, it's totally free to join, and you just go to clickbank.com. And once you're here, you go to the top where it says create an account. You click that, and it's free to fill out the form and create an account. And chances are you'll get approved within the day or so, okay? So once you create an account and you actually have an account, you wanna go to the top tab where it says Marketplace, and you wanna click that. This is gonna take you to the place where you can see a list of products to promote, okay? Now they have all these different categories. Now what you wanna do is you basically can just click here, okay? And that's gonna share with you a list of all the different products ranked by default is going to be popularity, but again, we want to go to gravity, okay? Because this is going to sort it by how many people are actually seeing sales this week, okay? And you can see the gravity score right here. So this product, okay, Lepitox, is a health and fitness product, okay, in that niche, and you can see that it has over 550 people, 569 people on average are making sales, okay, and that is absolutely incredible. So if you wanted to promote this product, you could just click promote, generate hop links, and then there you go. You have your own affiliate link, okay, that you can go and promote. Now you can also promote this one, this one. We want to look for one that has, again, good gravity and an average sale of above $20, okay? Because this is gonna be a good amount of money when we go and apply this method. Now, once we do that, what you wanna do is open up the link to check out the sales page. This is going to take you to an overview of what the sales page actually looks like. And what I recommend you do is you watch some of the video and get a feel for what it actually is. Now, a little trick you can do is if you don't want to watch the video, oftentimes when you go to the product and you go to leave, you can actually read the text version. Okay, so this is a text version of the actual product, and you can go through and read an overview of what the product is to get a feel for it, okay? Now, once you actually find a product that has a good gravity score, the next step you want to do is we want to find long tail keywords that have to do with the problem that the product solves. So again, we're going to be creating YouTube videos, very simple videos, and you want to find long tail keywords. Now, what is a long tail keyword and how do we find them? Well, basically what you want to realize is a long tail keyword, if I go to YouTube and you can see at the top, okay, right here in this bar, basically a short tail keyword is going to be a few words. Okay, so lose weight. That is a short tail keyword. Anything that's about 3 words or less is a short tail keyword. Now, these keywords are very, very competitive. A lot of people have created videos targeting those keywords. So we want to rank our videos very easily. So when someone goes to YouTube and they research the answer to their problem, we are going to be able to show up with our videos, and then using the next step, we're going to be able to create very simple videos that eventually will link people to our description. And when they go to the description and click our link, we're going to link them to the sales page of the product that we're promoting. And because these people are researching a problem that they want to get solved, and then the product that we're promoting is going to solve that problem, a good portion, because it has a high gravity, it's very compelling, a good portion is going to actually go to that link and buy. And again, we can get many people clicking that link using the formula that I'm sharing with you on total autopilot. So you can start making these commissions for months and years to come. Again, because once you post a video, it's going to last for a very long time. Now, the next thing you want to do is to find long tail keywords. These are keywords that are 3 or more words on YouTube. You want to type in how to, and then think about what type of keywords someone suffering from the problem that your product you're promoting solves. So you could look over the sales page and kind of get an idea. Okay, now I've seen this before, and you can see right here that she is a prisoner of her belly fat. So this product is all about losing belly fat, melting fat, okay? So you could go to YouTube, and if we search, a lot of people don't realize this, if you go to YouTube and search in the top, it's gonna drop down keywords that YouTube thinks you're searching. These are the most popular keywords because other people are searching these. So we wanna use this to generate keywords and create our YouTube videos around, okay? So if I think about this product and it has to do with losing weight, I can say how to lose weight, okay, and boom, we're starting to see keywords. How to lose weight fast for teenagers. Again, you want to look for some that are 3 or more words, ideally 4, 5, 6 words, okay? These are long tail keywords, and again, they're less competition, so it's easier to rank for. How to lose weight in 4 easy steps. How to lose weight fast without exercise. So let's say this is the keyword we want to do, okay? So I would write that keyword down in a notepad. Now, the next step is we need to create or get someone else to create a short video giving some useful information about the topic. So again, if we did a video on how to lose weight fast without exercise, you could literally just go to Google and type in how to lose weight fast without exercise. And then all you have to do is read an article or watch someone else's video and put a video in your own words, sharing just 1 or 2 tips, okay? Because you want to share a tip and give some value in your video. And this is going to help people that watch your video like you and trust you. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. So when you give information in your video, people are going to come to know, like, and trust you. And what you want to do as the last step is once you give information, you give some tips, again, just summarizing what you read in that article very easily, then all you're going to do is tell people to go to the link below for more information. And then all you're going to do is in the description of your video, okay, so if I open up one of my videos, in the description, you're just gonna put your link, okay? You're gonna say, hey, go to this link and check it out. Now, to shorten your link, if you go to promote right here, this is a pretty long link. So rather than putting that long link right there, you can just go to a website, okay, called tinyurl.com. Now, when you go to tinyurl.com, you can paste that long link, okay, into tinyurl.com, and that will actually shorten that link, okay? And you can just copy this link, and you can just put that link in your description, okay, right here. So now what I want to do is I want to share with you a case study of when I actually use this. So if I go to this video right here, you're going to see that I look quite a bit younger, okay? This video is actually shot in June 2016. Now you can see that I've generated over 7,000 views, okay? And I targeted how to get puppy to stop biting fast because I typed in how to get puppy to stop and then biting fast popped up. So I knew this keyword was popular. Now, what I did was I went to ClickBank and I was actually promoting a product right here called Doggy Dan's Online Dog Trainer. It's actually still around, okay? And I'll show you what it looks like right here. And this is all about getting your dog to stop biting and stop barking and stuff like that, okay? So I found this product on ClickBank. It had a really good gravity. And then what I did was I shot a very simple video. This video was only 1 minute and 48 seconds teaching a tip or two. And then I said at the end, okay, I told people to go to the link below for more information. And then I said, hey, go to the link below and check out the solution if you want to learn more. And I had a good portion of these people all the way back since 2016 go to this link, okay? When they go to that link, again, it takes them to the affiliate sales page. And when they bought through my link, I earned commissions. And I still to this day, since 2016, have made commissions on this product, okay? Because this one video got a lot of views, okay? So you really want to realize that this method works. Now, last thing I want to share with you is if you don't want to put your face on the videos, you can go to a site called Fiverr.com and you can type in spokesman and you can search, okay? And you can actually find people on Fiverr.com to create videos for you for as little as $5. And you would just tell them the tips that you want them to share in the video, and then you can just tell them to tell people watching the video to click the link below and go to the link in the description, okay? And then they will finish the video often within a day or two, and you can just upload that video on a YouTube channel and put your tinyurl, your affiliate link that's masked in the description, and you can start making affiliate commissions, okay? So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you got value, you want me to share more step-by-step ClickBank tutorials, go down and click the like button to let me know. Also be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step training. And last but not least, this method is absolutely incredible, but if you want to learn my #1 way to make a full-time living online, click the first link in the description and check that out, and I really think you're going to like that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.